Good afternoon, everyone. To formally start our bid evaluation for project number 2026-04 to 11, 04-11 to 25, the construction and installations of learning continuity space in selected public schools, province of Agusan del Sur. Let us have first an opening prayer. May everyone to please stand. Put ourselves in the holy presence of our Lord. Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us today for this bid evaluation. Grant us wisdom, integrity, and clarity in our discussions, and may this process be guided by fairness, transparency, and shared commitment to serve the public good. Bless all participants with understanding and cooperation, and may the outcome reflect what is just and beneficial for all. We entrust this conference to your care. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. For attendance recognition, present this afternoon, members of the Bids and Awards Committee, chaired by our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Marilo A. Laurencio, together with our back Vice Chairperson, Ma'am Arlene Imbatausa, back member, Sir Jeffrey Q. Apat, back Secretariat, Gerard Encano, Iris Romano, and Marivic Valeroso. So we have 15 lots for this project, starting with the project lot ID number 2026-0411. But before we start, I would like to confirm if the receipts, I would like to ask the receipts from EMRB. That's all, that's the load. Okay, Madam Chair, we have three bidders for lot number 2026-0411. ELCT Construction and Supply, ABSCO Construction Corporations, and EMRB Construction.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we're happy that you had responded to our call and give your intent to be our proposed service provider on this LCS construction. So this time, we will be starting our bid opening. Oh, what about the attendance checking?
For the attendance of our bidders present this afternoon, we have from ABSCO Construction Corporation, Ma'am Geraldine Ugaa. From DDS Builders, Ma'am Sheila M. Mahusay. From GB Shano Construction, Ma'am Frigeline P. Makinto. From ELCT Construction and Supply, Shenimi Kadagdagon. From EMRB Construction, Ma'am Mary Grace Matulan. From Handel Construction, we have Alan Mondilla. That's all, Madam Chair.
So thank you, and let us now start the ball rolling. So let us have now the first lot. Okay, let us now open. We have the two bidders for lot number 1. For Bunawan. So, first envelope. ALCP construction. When you open the object, visit to the site. Tanawan po natin. Then, the first thing is the project. Can you check the technical engineer while we are ongoing checking the legal?
Film chips valid until January 29, 2027.
Pickup license.
Valid until December 17, 2026.
December 17, 2026, 2027.
December 17th,
2026. May 22. Sorry, check lang po. Tanaw. Okay. Let us check the technical. SLC, ongoing government project. Yeah, ongoing because it was not totally done when I visited. They focus on comfort rooms. Okay, so it's LCC.
$9,779,000. Pass.
Okay, pass for SLCC. This time, let us go to bid securing. Bid security. Compliance. Budget requirements. Organizational chart. Na siya? Or okay, organizational chart. Then, list of contractors, personnel. Okay. List of major equipment units.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Omnibus term statement. Compliance. Okay, then, okay, let us, financial document, financial statement, audited. Okay, then, NFCP.
CC is 158 million. 218,000.
Okay, so, in terms of legal docs, they pass, no, or compliant. So, we'll park here because we'll open the financial later because you are all three. Three ba niya? Duha. Ang nani ERB o duha na?
Tulo na sila.
Ang isa sa mga online po na yung ABSCO construction. While Engineer Mark is reviewing the specs, we try to check the ABSCO.
Technical sa application.
Tagal. Umana, sir? Our engineer, umana yung technical? Or ACLP? ALCP or cadence? ALCP. So let us now check the documents of the ABSCO. ABSCO. Oh, pass. Okay. So as per checking of the documents, the ELCP construction and supply pass in terms of legal docs. This time, let us now check the next. ABSCO.
Plastic. Tapos ako yung cabinet sa office.
Okay, let us check the field chips. So compliant. Okay. Next, pickup. Pickup. Mas mali po yan, piece of license. Okay, suppose ato na dito check. Okay, then let us have the ongoing project. Live ongoing. Okay. Cost of performance.
So far, okay ang performance. January 28, 2026, 79.50 ang kuan, compression rate. So, July ang pinaka doon. February, March, April, May. Complete reference, kauswagan, momento, 30%. Feb, March, April, May. Diba ni? How many days na ni nakuan? Representative of ito ni ABSCO. Ma'am, ganong 30% pa ba ni ma'am? Date awarded is 2/18/2026, October, date of completion. October. 30%. Okay lang. December. Okay, June, July, August, September. So we still have 4 months. 4. Supposedly mga 50%, pero mga 40%.
Is LCC.
LCC is 6,983,000.34.
Okay, bid securing. Bid security.
Bid securing. Okay, signed by Carmelo.
Okay. So let us go to project requirements, organizational chart, compliance, list of contractors personnel. Compliance, okay. Then list of equipment, major equipment. Compliance, okay. Let us check the NFCC.
$568,160,000.
Okay. Okay, so in terms of legal docs, typical documents, any observation? Are they compliant? Do they pass?
Where based on the legal documents, Absco Construction Corporation made the compliance report.
Okay, so let us park for the financial. Let us go to the next bidder. We have the EEMRB. Okay, so let us check the field chips.
Valid until October 12, 2026.
Registration August 1, 2024, valid until January 14, 2028.
Okay, compliant. So let us go to technical docs on the ongoing government and private contracts.
One, consulting awarded last July 16, 21%.
Okay, so expected to turn over the project October man, no? So it's just right. Okay lang. Okay, so ongoing project pass is LCC.
LCC 13 million.
Okay, pass. Let us go now to the bid security. Bid security. Okay. Budget requirements, organizational chart for the performance. Compliance, contractors, personnel. Compliance. Then equipment. List. NFCC.
$7,249.91.
Okay, so pass. So upon evaluation, the EEMRB had passed, no, the technical and legal documents. So since the three bidders pass all the legal and technical documents, we will be checking now their financial bid.
I would like also to include that this EMRB executed also omnibus warrant statement.
Okay, naapod siya. Omnibus on statement. Oy, let us check first their site visitation. Na ba sila laatanan? Okay. So, all had complied the requirements, particularly the site inspection, which was agreed during the pre-bid. Okay. Let us start first the financial. Can we check? Check.
Madam Chair, ALCT Construction and Supply bid for number 2026-0411, the amount of 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos.
That's for ALCT. Let's go to the next. Wala.
Absco Construction Corporation bid the amount 2,139,244 pesos and 26 centavos. 2,139,244 pesos and 26 centavos.
Okay, so that is for ABSCO. Let us go to EEMRG. RBRG. B ata. EEMRG. No card.
MRG. EEMRB construction bid in the amount of 2,141,945.84.
Okay, so who has the lowest? ABSCO, 2,139,244 pesos and 26 centavos. Okay. Done for lot 1. Let us go for lot 2.
Are the bidders the same? May I inquire, Madam Chair, if the bidders are the same? Madam Chair. Madam Chair, may I move that since we are done scrutinizing their legal documents, may we proceed to the financial documents?
Okay, since it was moved and seconded, that since we have the same group of contractors contractors in lot number 1. So lot number 2, we just go directly to the financial. They will be checking the bidding amount. I'm kindly give the technical to EEMRB. So we'll be checking technical, will be checked by Engineer Mark. Then the financial amount, Doc Arlene?
The financial amount is 2,141,945.84 centavos. EEMRP construction 2,141,945.84.
Okay. This is in Barangay Consuelo, Ganiha, lot 1 for Brookside. This time for Upper Consuelo. It's different na ang Consuelo o Upper Consuelo. Okay? Nabay, ang importante, nabay site inspection. Okay na. Ito. Sige. So next, ang ALCP.
For Lot 2, ALCT Construction and Supply bid offer is 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos.
And that's for ALCT. So let us now open the, ABSCO to ganihan, no? ALCP, ABSCO karon. The ABSCO. Oh, yes.
For ABSCO, 2,139,244.26. 2,139,244.26.
So our LCB is ABSCO Construction Corporation. Okay. So this time, let us go to lot number 3. And lot number 3 is for Angeles Elementary School, Barangay Angeles, La Paz. We have 3 bidders. We have EEMRB, Giviciano, and DDS Builders. So, any motion?
Madam Chair, I would like to move that EMRB will be exempted from scrutinizing the legal documents.
So, let us open Gibiciano Construction.
Date started. They did not include the date of completion. The representative of JB Siano, kanong sa ang kuanan expected nga completion yung mga project. Wala din gibutang. Date started ra, no? Pero there is expected how many days pa? Di ba there is expected number of days to be finished, to be completed? 60 or 3 months lang. 3 months.
So, a person please.
Oh, dapat na. Okay lang. Madam Chair.
Okay. Okay, so lipat. What about the SLCC?
SLCC 8 million.
It means okay. Library have contractual na. So, let us go to learn big security.
Compliance signed by the full department.
Their project requirements, organizational chart, their personnel, contractor personnel, and their major equipment. Kindly check. Okay, so let us open DDS. Okay, build chips. Compliant. What about PD? Legal. Okay, so let us check the ongoing project. Okay, so compliant for ongoing is LCC. Okay, so pass in terms of its LCC. Let us go to the bid security. Okay, so project requirements, organizational chart. What about the contractors personnel and major equipment? Okay, so let's go to BCQ. So omnibus, yeah. Okay, so let's go now to the in FCC.
Electricity is 1 billion, 42 million, 944,000.
Okay, so pass. Okay, so from our scrutiny of legal documents, the three bidders pass or compliant on legal and technical with everything what we are asking for. No? Okay. So let us go now to financial. Let us open the financial envelope.
For Lot 3, JB Shano Construction, bid offer is 2,140,336 pesos and 33 centavos. 2,140,336 pesos and 33 centavos. JB Shano.
Okay, so next. PEMRP. Look at it.
EEMRB bid in the amount of 2,141,945.84. 2,141,945 pesos point 84 centavos.
DDS Builders bid offer is 2,142,715 pesos and 89 centavos. 2,142,715 pesos 89 centavos.
So in this lot, for La Paz, no, our service provider or contractor is GB Shano Construction with a bid amount of 2,140,336 and 33 cents. 336 pesos and 33 centavos. Okay, so let us go to the next. And the next we have the same group, EEMRB, Jubiciano, and DDS Builders. So any motion from the team?
Madam Chair, I move that we skip the checking of the legal documents as we have checked previously already and proceed to the opening of the financial documents.
Okay, let us open EEMRB Financial.
For Lot 4, EEMRB Construction bid offer is 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos. 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos.
The next, Jefferson.
Feliciano. The amount is 2,140,336.33. 2,140,336.33.
BBN.
DDS Builders bid offer is 2,142,715 pesos 89 centavos. 2,142,715 pesos 89 centavos.
So, we had the lowest with a bid amount of 2,140,336 pesos and 33 centavos with GP Shano Construction. So, let us go to the next. Our next group, our next lot, for Loreto. Don Flaviano Elementary School, Sitio Union, Binucayan, Loreto, Agusan del Sur. We had EEMRB, ALCP, and DDS. EEMRB, ALCP, and DDS. So we have the same group of bidders. Any motion from the back team?
Madam Chair, I move that we're going to proceed with the opening of financial documents.
Okay, so the first one is DDS. Technical for engineering.
For DTS, they bid an amount of 2,139,878.51. 2,139,878.51.
Okay, so our next will be ALCP.
For Lot 5, ALCT Construction Supply bid offer is 142,205 pesos 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos.
The next EEMRB.
For EEMRB construction, the bid in the amount of 2,141,945.84. I repeat, 2,141,945.84.
Okay, so our provider for this, our contractor is DDS Builders with an amount of 139,878 pesos and 51 centavos. 2,139,878 pesos and 51 centavos. Okay. So thank you for that. And we have the next lot. So our next lot is in LCs for Linatawan Primary School, Sechu Linatawan, Santa Teresa, Loreto, Agusan del Sur. And still we have the same contractor, nor bidder, EEMRB, ALCT, and DDS Builders. So, since we have the same set of bidders, any motion from our team?
Madam Chair, I move, since we have the same suppliers being evaluated, that we proceed to financial document.
I second the motion, Madam Chair.
So, let us open first. DDS.
For DDS construction, the amount is 2,139,878.51. 2,139,878.51.
ALCP.
For Lot 6, construction in Loreto, ALCT Construction and Supply bid offer is 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos.
Okay, next. EMRP.
EEMRB Construction, the amount is 2,141,945.84. 2,141,945.84.
And the winner, we have our lowest bidder. We have DD East Builders with the amount of 2,139,878 pesos and 51 centavos. So we will go to the next lab, and the next lab will be in Dulag Primary School, Rosario, Marfil, Rosario, Agusan del Sur. Dulag Primary School, 406, Marfil, Rosario, Agusan del Sur. And we have the same group of bidders, DDS, ALCP, and EMRB. DDS, ALCP, and EMRB. So let us now open. Since we have the same group of bidders, any motion from the back members?
Madam Chair, may I move that we are going to proceed with the opening of financial documents.
Second the motion.
So, start with the so financial bid of DDS.
This time, BDS amount is 2,142,715.89. 2,142,715.89.
Okay, so next, AMRB. Financial.
EEMRP construction bid offer is 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos. 2,141,945 pesos 84 centavos.
That is ELCT. This time, they bid in the amount of 2,140,966.91. 2,140,966.91.
Okay, so our LCB is, we have our contractor for this lot, ALCP Construction and Supply, with the amount of 2,140,966 pesos and 91 centavos. This time, let us go to the next lot, and for this is construction for Marfield Primary School, Rock 1, Marfield Rosario, Agusan Yusuf Primary School. Elementary man na, no? Marfield Elementary School. And we have the same bidders, ALCP, DDEs, and EMRB.
I move that we will proceed to the financial documents.
ALCP, so second the motion, it was moved and seconded that we will proceed to financial.
For ELCT Construction and Supply, they bid an amount of 2,140,966.91. 2,140,966.91.
DDS Builders bid amount or offer is 2,142,715 pesos 89 centavos. 2,142,715 pesos and 89 centavos.
For EEMRP Construction, the amount is 2,141,945.84. 2,141,945.84.
And the winner, we have the lowest the ALCT construction and supply with the amount of 2,140,966 pesos and 91 centavos. So they are the contractor, no, for Marfil Elementary. Okay, so this time let us go to the next lot, and this is for Joseo Cortez Elementary School, Sitio Cantagan, Locac, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Here we have three: the Handel Construction, Absco Construction, and EEMRB. So Handel Construction is the new. So any motion from the back team?
Madam Chair, I would like to move that we are going to scrutinize the papers, technical and legal of Handel Construction. And we will proceed to the three financial documents of the three bidders.
So it was moved and seconded, therefore we will be evaluating the Handel Construction whether they pass or compliance before we'll go to financial for the three: Handel, Absco, and EEMRB. So Handel, let us check the bill jips.
Purchase valid until December 2026. License.
Income is valid until September 2027, Madam Chair. Compliance.
Okay, so let us go to the ongoing projects.
Three, 4, 5, 6. Ongoing project 6. Six. Status is 100% na no, 100% cash. SLCC. Wala daw. Wala yung topic.
NFCC.
653,889,890.
Okay, pa. So let's go back to bid security.
Notarized by Attorney Guevara.
Then the SSCT. Ano ba to?
4,933,000.
Okay. Then let's go to project requirements, organizational chart, then list of contractors personnel, then list of contractors major equipment. So upon evaluation, so we can say that Handel Construction passed in terms of legal and technical documents. So since Handel passed, so Handel, Absco, and EMRD bid for this lot. Let us now open the financial. Let us start with ABSCO.
Madam Chair, for the project in Lukac, Absco Construction Corporation bid offer is 2,142,685 pesos .01 centavos. 2,142,685.01.
Then the next Handel Financial. Technical engineer.
Handel, they bid in the amount of 2,140,401.57. 2,140,401.57. Oh, 140.
Okay, so let's go to EMRB.
EEMRB Construction bid offer is 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos. 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos.
Okay, so our lowest bidder, 2,140,401 pesos and 57 centavos. Bid amount of Handel Construction. So Handel Construction is having the LTV. Okay, so let us go to the next lot. The next lot will be construction of LCs for Manangahon Elementary School, Purok 8 Mati, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Still, we have the same group of contractors bidding for this. We have ABSCO, EMRB, and Handel. Any comment from the back members?
Madam Chair, I move that we proceed with the checking of the financial documents since we have evaluated already the legal documents of the suppliers.
So, since it was moved and seconded, so we'll open the financial. The first one is Handel.
Handel Construction bid in the amount of 2,140,401.57. I repeat, 2,140,401.57.
Okay, the next. Okay, this time let's open the financial of EEMRB. EEMRB bid the amount of
EEMRB 2,141,945 pesos and 84 centavos. 2,141,945 pesos 84 centavos.
This time, let's open up school. Financial bid of ABSCO.
Madam Chair, ABSCO Construction Corporation bid offer is 2,142,685 pesos 0.01 centavos. 2,142,685 and 0.01 cents.
So our contractor for this project goes to Handel Construction with a bid amount of 2,140,401 pesos and 57 centavos. Okay. And the next project will be in Kaangayan Primary School, Kaangayan 1, Aurora, Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur. And we have 3 bidders for this project. We have Handel, ABSCO, and ALCP. So Handel, ABSCO, and ALCP, we have the same number, the same contractors in the previous projects. So any motion from our back team?
Madam Chair, I move that we're going to proceed to financial documents of the 3 bidders.
Okay, so it was moved and seconded. So we have to go to open the financial. Let's start with Handel.
Handel bid in the amount of 2,140,701.32. 2,140,701.32.
Let's go to the next bidder or contractor. ALCP. ALCP bid amount?
Bid amount is 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos 68 centavos.
Okay, thank you. And this time the ABSCO. So ABSCO bid an amount of
ABSCO this time bid an amount of 2,142,685.01. 2,142,685.01.
the lowest bidder. We have Handel with 2,140,701 pesos and 32 centavos. Okay, let us go to the next slide. The next lot will be construction of LCS for Patrocinio Integrated School, Barangay Patrocinio, Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur. We have still the same bidders, ALCT, ABSCO, and Handel. So any motion from our back team, since we have the same bidders?
Madam Chair, since the same suppliers were evaluated with their legal documents, I move that we proceed with the evaluation of the financial documents.
I second the motion, Madam Chair.
Since it was moved and seconded, therefore we will be proceeding to the opening of financial envelopes. Handle, let us open. Handle open the bid amount of offer. No, let us check the offering.
Handel Corporation Construction bid in the amount of 2,140,701.32. 2,140,701.32.
The next. Okay, let us check the bid amount of ABSCO.
ABSCO bid offer is 2,142,685 pesos, 0.01 centavos. 2,142,685 pesos, 0.01 centavos.
And the last we have the ALCT.
ELCT Construction and Supply bid in the amount of 2,142,205.68. 2,142,205.68.
The lowest we have Handel with the bid amount of 2,140,701 pesos and 32 centavos. Okay, so let us go to the construction of LCS at Pangyan Elementary School, Purok 1, Pangyan, Trento, Agusan del Sur. We have the bidders, DDS Builders, ALCP, and we have the Iron One North Construction. Iron One North Construction. Any comment from our back team?
Madam Chair, since the two bidders were already scrutinized with their documents, may I move that the Iron One Construction will undergo legal, technical, and financial, and the two will proceed to the financial documents.
Okay, so we'll open first the legal documents of Iron One North Construction as being motioned and seconded by the back members. Okay, let us start with the Philjips.
Valid until April 1, 2027.
The pickup license,
Valid until December 2026, Madam Chair. Pass.
okay, so we pass for that. Let us start opening the ongoing, checking the ongoing government and private contracts.
One, two ongoing in the amount of 2 million plus, almost 3 million.
And the performance,
Actual, there is no. May we ask the representative?
iron one, because there is no percentage of accomplishment. Kailan pa yan?
April 27, nag-start. May pamadron. Pila ka, sir? A percent. Oh, duha. Ang kaning isa is sa construction. Purchasing materials for painting man eh. Wala mo infra. Purchase. Hmm.
SLCC. We're checking the SLCC.
Construction, completion of multi-purpose building na. Theirs is 14,517,000 is LCC and 14 million, so almost 30 million, Madam Chair.
Okay, so they pass in terms on ongoing project and SLCC. So let us check the bid security.
Compliant, Madam Chair, with
Okay, so it's compliant. Let us check now the project requirements, organizational chart, pass, contractors personnel, compliant, contractors major equipment, then the omnibus.
pass, Madam Chair. Omnibus.
Okay, with NFCC,
The amount is 217,530,465.
okay, so they pass in terms on legal and technical documents. So since iron one and the others, we have DDS and ANCT are already qualified. So let us go to the financial bid. We'll open the financial bid of DDS. So the bid amount of DDS, we have how much?
DDS 2,142,715.89. 2,142,715.89.
Okay. So let us go to the next bidder, financial bid. ALCT.
ALCT bid offer is 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos. 2,142,205 pesos and 68 centavos.
And the next,
2,142,205 and 68 centavos.
okay, iron. Iron 1 North.
Iron 1.
Oh, sa Pangyan. Iron 1 North Construction.
Iron 1 North is bidding for 2,139,766.32. 2,139,766.32.
Wala pa. So, our lowest bidder for the Pangyan. Pangyan. We have Iron 1 North Construction with the amount of 2,139,766 pesos and 32 centavos. Iron 1 Construction for Pangyan Elementary School. Okay, this time we'll go to the next lot. Construction for LCEs for Singapore Integrated School, Purok Singapore, Santa Maria, Trinto, Agusan del Sur. And we have the following bidders: Absco Construction Corporation, DDS Builders, ALCP Construction, and Supply. So we have the same bidders on the previous projects. So any comment from our back members?
Madam Chair, I would like to move that we are going to proceed to the financial documents.
It was moved and seconded that we will be opening the financial documents since the legal and technical documents for these bidders are already assessed and had passed. Okay, so let us start with BDS. BDS Builder bid an amount of
DDS 2,142,715.89. 2,142,715.89.
Okay, let us go to Absco.
Absco Construction Corporation bid offer is 2,142,685 pesos and 1 centavo. 2,142,685 pesos and 1 centavo.
Okay, so we have ALCP, Construction and Supply. ALCP bid the amount of
2,140,966.91. 2,140,966.91.
Okay, so we have now our lowest bidder for this project. We have ALCP Construction and Supply with the bid amount of 2,140,966 pesos and 91 centavos. And so, we have now the last one. We have construction and installation of 2 units, 1 story of learning continuity space for Anitap Elementary School, Purok Dos, Anitap, Berwila, Agusan del Sur. So we have the same bidders, the previous one. We have the EMRB, JB Shano, and DDS Builders. Since we have the same group of bidders, any comment from the back members?
Madam Chair, I move that since we have evaluated the legal documents of the suppliers or bidders, that we proceed to the evaluation of the financial documents.
I second the motion.
So it was moved and seconded that we will be opening the financial bid of these 3 bidders, EMRB, Gibishano, and DDS. And we do away with the assessment on the legal and technical documents, for these are already assessed in the previous project. So let us start with DDS.
DDS Builders, Madam Chair, bid offer is 2,142,715 pesos and 89 centavos. 2,142,715 pesos, 89 centavos. $2,000,000. It's for DDS Builders. 2,000,000. 2,000,000. DDS Builders. This one is for Berwela, Anitap. Okay. Sorry. So the bid amount, for the 2 units is 4,285,431 pesos and 78 centavos. 4,285 pesos, 431 pesos and 78 centavos.
So let us go to the next. EEMRB. EEMRB bid an amount of representative of EEMRB.
Okay. So for EEMRB, 4,283,891.67. 4,283,891.67.
And the last, JB Channel.
All right, JB Shano Construction bid offer is 4,280,672 pesos and 66 centavos. 4,280,672 pesos and 66 centavos.
Okay, looking at, we have the lowest bidder, GB Shano Construction, who bids the amount of 4,280,672 pesos and 66 centavos. Sige, congratulations to all. I think everyone had shared. Merong share, no? Everybody. So let us request our secretariat to run through first from the lot 1. So lot 1, the lowest bidder is okay, so Absco. Then lot 2, Absco. Lot 3, JB Shano. Lot 4, JB Shano. Lot 5, DDE's Builders. Lot 6, DDE. Lot 7, ALCT. Lot 8, ALCT. Lot 9, Handel. Lot 10, then for the Kangayan, that is lot 10. Okay, then for the Patrocinio,
Handle construction.
Handel. For Panyan, Iron 1. And for the Singapore, ALCT. And for the Anita Jeviciano. So, congratulations to the winning bidders. So, this time, I will give you the back secretary to give you more details on the post qualifications. No.
For who were cleared as the lowest calculated bidder for the following lots, you are required to present during post-qualifications or submit during post-qualifications the licenses and permits relevant to the project corresponding law requiring it, the original documents as to the business permit, the pickup, the tax clearance for final pay, tax clearance for bidding purposes, and the audited financial statement. And also submit also within 5 days from the receipt of the notice of, from the receipt that you are confirming that you are the lowest calculated bidder, submit latest income and business tax returns filed for the preceding quarter. So the first quarter of the 2026 and the 2025 annual income tax returns. And also, the schedule for the post-qualification, engineer, when is the schedule for the post-qualifications? You only have 19 to 30, sir, engineer, 12 days. It's 12. Pero 22 pa pwede na makastart. Start na. Okay. Transfer na sila tanong ba? Okay. So we will have the post-qualification activity on May 22, 2026, this Friday. And may also remind everyone, no, if ever na you will be post-qualified and you will be issued with the notice of award, you're given 10 days to comply these documents, no? The construction schedule and its curve, manpower schedule, construction methods, equipment utilization schedule, construction safety and health program approved by the DOLE, and program evaluation and review technique or PERT, and the critical path method, CPM, or other acceptable tools of project scheduling. So, you also have 2 days, dapat mo-perma na mo sa NOAA once i-issue sa inyo. Balik-balik tayo ng NOAA. And then, 10 days dayon, dapat makasabit na mo sa inyo itong additional for the contract ng mga documents. And that's all, Madam Chair.
Okay, with the given instructions of our back secretariat, any comment from our none at all. So we will be having 22 as our post-qualified. No. So any more back members? Any more questions for that? Wala na? Any comment? So since we have nothing, any motion for the adjournment of this bid opening?
Madam Chair, I move to adjourn this bid opening.
I second the motion.
It was moved and seconded, and therefore our bid opening for LCS is now adjourned. Thank you for joining, and God bless. Good luck as all.